So welcome students. This question you're given that line makes an angle theta with both x and z axis and beta with y axis such that sine square beta is equal to 3 times sine square theta. If that is so, what is the value of cos square theta? So again, this question is based on the concept of direction cosines. If a line makes an angle alpha, beta, gamma with 3 axes, cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus cos square gamma is equal to 1. So according to the concept, in this question, cos square theta plus cos square beta plus again cos square theta is equal to 1. This implies 2 cos square theta plus cos square beta is equal to 1. Now, from the relation, you have 1 sine square beta is equal to 3 sine square theta. This implies 2 cos square theta is equal to, if you take this cos square beta onto that side, 1 minus cos square beta is nothing but sine square beta. Now sine square beta can be written as 3 sine square theta. That is equal to 3 sine square theta. So 2 cos square theta is equal to 3 sine square theta. You are asked to find the value of cos square theta. So that is nothing but 3 times 1 minus cos square theta. This implies 5 cos square theta is equal to 3. So cos square theta is equal to 3 by 5. So this will be the answer to this question. Thank you.